Folks, on August 7th, Murray County will head to the polls to vote for the next sheriff of Murray County. And I want to talk to you right now about one of those candidates, Mr. Robin Howell. Robin became a member of the Columbia Police Department in 1984. During his tenure as a Columbia Police Department member, he has been promoted numerous times, including the Deputy Chief of Narcotics of the Vice Department, and then eventually he was promoted to Lieutenant of the Narcotics and Vice Gang Intelligence Unit. During his tenure in those positions, he supervised daily operations of the department. He composed and implemented policies and procedures and assisted with the preparation of annual budgets. So Robin clearly has the ability to run a department and maintain a tight financial fiscal responsibility. Robin is also a decorated officer. I could go on and on about the numerous awards he's won, but I will point out that he has won Officer of the Year, and he was also chosen to provide bomb technician support for the 2002 Winter Olympics in Salt Lake City. I think Department of Safety Commissioner Dave Mitchell summed it up best when he said this: Howell's efforts have far exceeded the requirements of his normal job duties. His tireless efforts have enhanced the safety of both emergency responders and citizens and visitors of Columbia, Murray County, Homeland Security District 8, and the entire state of Tennessee. Folks, when you head to that booth on August 7th, I want you to remember the name Robin Howell. Robin has devoted his life to making the city of Columbia a safer place, and he will do the same for the county of Murray when he's elected sheriff. So folks, remember, August 7th, cast your vote for Robin Howell. He is dedicated, he is experienced, and he will do the job the way it should be done. Remember, Robin Howell for sheriff, August 7th.